Let us continue our lesson, children.
Here, do you know, children, Avicennia plants have roots. Okay, usually every plants have roots, isn't it? Even these kind of plants also have roots, but the root is upward, okay, above the ground. Okay, so they are how they are absorbing waters and minerals from the moisture. They absorb minerals and waters from the moisture which is presented in the air. So, and now the next is, look at this screen, children. This is the root. Okay, children, this is the root which is present above the ground. Now look over here. Let us do this one. You have to do this one activity in your home, children. You will observe, you will know. Okay, so take two small potted plants, cut the root of one of the plants and fix it in the pot. Now water the plant for 2 or 3 days. Okay, what you will observe, definitely the root which is cut. Okay, that plant will wilt and die. Okay, and why? Because there is root is not able to absorb the water. So in the absence of water, the leaves cannot able to prepare the food, cannot able to prepare the starch. So they are not able to have the nutrients. That's why in the absence of water, in the absence of root, they are not able to survive in this condition. So that's why they die, isn't it? You will know if you do this activity in your home. Okay, children? So without root, they cannot survive. Okay, plants cannot survive. This activity proves that functions of the roots is to absorb nutrients and water from the soil. Now this activity you have to do in your home. Okay, children? So take 2 coconut shell, okay, fill them with soil, sow green gram, okay, children, in one and paddy in another. Okay, green gram in one shell and the paddy in another shell. Keep them under the sunlight and water them regularly. Okay, after a week, observe the features of the roots. You will observe there are different kinds of roots we have learned. Okay, fibrous roots and tap root, isn't it? Take out the plant out of the shell, then you will observe the roots. So paddy has a fibrous roots, isn't it? And even the green gram also. Now let us write, children, true and false. The root grow into the soil. It's true. Okay. The roots grow into the soil. Roots grow under the soil. It's true. Fibrous roots has a main root. No, it is a false. Fibrous roots they don't have main root. Root absorb water from the soil. It is true. And potato stores food in its root. It is a true. Grass has fibrous roots. It is a true. Okay. Now stem. Okay, the stem is the main part of the shoot system. Okay, root system is under the soil. Okay, above the ground, that is known as shoot system. Okay, in the shoot system, stem is the first part. Okay, children, so stem is the main part of the shoot system. It grows towards the sunlight. Okay, because in the presence of sun, they are growing. It looks green when it is young. Yeah, like this. And branches, leaves, birds, flowers and fruits grow from the stem it only. Correct. Okay, children. So these are the example of the, see, coriander. This is the stem. Okay, this is the stem. Okay, that is in the shoot system. These grow above the soil, above the ground.
Now you would have understood the lesson very well. Stem, what is stem and where it is grow. Stem is grows above the soil, but few plants root is also grow above the soil. As we learned in this lesson, okay, Avicennia roots is grow above the soil. In the same way, banyan tree, okay, just observe this picture, children. These are the roots, okay, which is grow above the soil, okay, which is connected by the branches of the tree. The branches is definitely connected with the stem, okay. So these are the examples, roots which is grow above the soil also, okay, children, but few, okay. I hope you would have understood the lesson very well, even though you can watch the video repeatedly, children, so you will understand thoroughly. Okay, but this root is also known as false root because the minerals and waters they absorb which is not fulfilled to the requirements of the tree, okay, which you will study in higher grades.